Hello students, we are going to discuss about character and spirituality. One by one we will discuss. First we are going to discuss about character. First one, character. What is character? Character can be referred to the mental and moral qualities distinctive to an individual. Be clear. Simple definition of character. It refers to the distinguishing or unique nature of something. Character deal with how people think and behave related to issues such as right and wrong, justice and equity, and other areas of human context. Be clear. Simply, character is a combination of personal qualities that make each person unique. Teachers, parents, and community members help children build positive character quality. What are the 6 pillars of characters? One is truthworthiness, second one respect, third one responsibility, fourth one fairness, fifth one caring, last one citizenship. Schools often have character education programs that focus on the qualities of characters that are honored by most culture and tradition. Character education is the development of knowledge, skill, and ability that encourage children and young adults to make informed and responsible choices. Be clear or not? Okay. So what are the characteristics of ethical people in workplace? Many characteristics of business look for a candidate. Ethics is one of the most important. Are you agree? Human resources official commonly seek individual who possesses highly defined ethics. As a strong ethical base improve the likelihood that the worker is a productive and upright employee. Many of the characteristics associated with an ethical individual are desirable ones that business hope to have in their workforce. Honesty, responsibility, reliability, goal oriented, and job focused. Next we are going to discuss about spirituality. What is spirituality? It has many definitions, but its core spirituality helps to give our lives context. It is not necessarily connected to a specific belief system. What is that? Or even religious worship. It arises from your connection with yourself and with others. Development of your personal value system and your search for meaning in life. Spirituality takes the form of religious observance, prayer, meditation, or a belief in a high power. Others, it can be found in nature, music, art, or a secular community. Generally, spirituality is different for everyone. It includes creativity, communication, recognition of the individual as human being, respect to others, acceptance, vision. It is motivation as it encourages the colleagues to perform better. Tolerance and empathy are the reflections of spirituality. Spirituality in the workspace. First one, respect the individual verbally as human and recognize their value in all decision and action. Respect to others. Second one, get to know the people with whom you work and know what is important to them. Third one, state your personal ethics and your belief clearly. Fourth one, support causes outside the business. Fifth one, encourage leaders to use value-based discretion in making decisions. Sixth one, demonstrate or examine your own self-knowledge and spirituality in all your actions. Seventh one, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. These are the points spirituality in the workplace. Next one, spirituality for corporate excellence. Self-awareness, realization of self-potential, alertness in observation and quickness in decision making, being visionary and value-based, holism, comprehensive views and interconnected with different aspects, compassion, sympathy, empathy and concern for others, respect for diversity, respect others and their views, moral autonomy, means of moral autonomy, action based on rational and moral judgment, creative thinking, this is your iconic or innovation, and constant reasoning, ability to analyze and synthesize, positive views of adversity, humility, the attitude to accept criticism and willing to correct. It includes modesty and acknowledging the work of colleagues, sense of vacation, treat the duty as a service to society beside your organization. Thank you for your attention.